Hello and good morning and welcome to Roy's the Boy. Right, Sunday morning. Yesterday I went out to an auction and I bought a job lot of 4 mowers. Two of them I put away into my lockup, which I have, and 2 of them I bought back here so I could try and fix them. Now I do know that all 4 mowers do start because I've tried them. So let's just go and show you the two, and I wasn't going to do anything today, but someone's interested in one of them already, and I've just got to give it a quick service and that'll be gone, and that will pay for the actual 4 that I've even bought. So let's go and have a look. Okay, here's the first one. This is I think you pronounce it as Poland or Poland, something like that. This is an American, made in USA. This one, Briggs & Stratton 550 series. It does need a good old clean, and someone's had this off by the looks of it. And let's have a look underneath. It doesn't feel too bad that underneath. Let's turn it up. Let's have a look. No, I'll change that anyway. It is dirty and dusty every morning and feels. Side shoot here. Oh, the blade don't look too bad, and the blade is upside down. If you can see this bit here, which bulges downwards, that should be facing upwards. Which helps for the bring the grass out. It's got a couple of holes in the back, but I have some nylon thread, which I will even get the wife to do it. She likes a bit of sewing. It's got some wonky wheels on it. Both it needs sorting. I'll show it working. Like I said, I did start it yesterday and it worked. Let's try and hold that at the same time as that. That started very easy. That ain't going to be a lot to. I won't even have to take the carb off of that. I'll take the tank off and give it a good clean. And this is the other one. It's called a razor. Look like someone's been doing a spray job on it, because you can see the spray gone everywhere around here. Someone's interested in this afternoon, so I'm going to give this a quick check over and clean up. And this one did start yesterday, so let's try this one as well. Hold that into there like that. That's it, nice one. Right, let's get this one cleaned up and ready for someone to come and get. Right, let's have a quick check. Pull cord. That seems fine to me. This is only going to be a check one. I would want to get a bit more for this, but some of the oil. Well, it doesn't seem to. It needs oil, so I'm going to just top the oil up. I won't change it. There's hardly any in here. Put that back. I normally do just change the oil in them. But this is just a quick check over. Air filter might just need a clean, I don't know yet until I get it out. Let's have a look. No, I'll change that. I'll go and put a new one on. Mustn't lose those gaskets for the air cleaner. So I'll leave that on to there. What's that like in there? Well, there's a lot of oil in there, as it happens. I'll give that a little spray with carb cleaner. As you see, look, that's thick with oil, that is. That's been tipped up on its side. Right, let's go and get some parts. Alright, give that a quick spray. That's it. Right. Basically just give these a quick clean. I normally give these a very thorough clean on these, but if you don't give them a clean, all the rubbish, the dirt and debris which are on these go inside the carburetor and just lock the jets up, so it really doesn't go amiss just to give them a good clean. These filters, they can only go one way, little small side at the one end. So right, I'm going to turn my compressor on in a minute. I'm going to turn you off for that, just to clean all around this area here. Just put that into there, just stop any rubbish going in. Right, I didn't film you me taking the blade off, but I've given it a nice little sharpen both sides, hands balanced. So I'll stick this back on, and it's quite tidy underneath, so I'll just stick this back on. Okay, just stick this back on. And what I'm going to do really now, I am going to change the spark plug. It looks like it's really rusty, so I will give it a new one quickly. I'll tell you what I will take off of it, because it doesn't need it. Let's just check these bolts as well. I'm going to take this off, believe it or not, because these cost a little penny, these. That's it, which will come in handy for ones that I will need, but it doesn't need it because it doesn't have a throttle cable. So why it's really on there, I mean, unless this one had a cable. No, it didn't have a throttle. I can't see any. Oh, with that rain, it's just coming down now. Right, come on, take that off quickly. Ooh, I want to come off. Wrong screwdriver really, because it ain't going in yet. But that's it, keep that for another time. What I'm going to do now is just give it a general clean. Spray with some WD-40 just to get all the rubbish off. What I normally use is either a bit of wire wool, just to little scale with these first, get any horrible stuff off. That's all I'm going to do with that. So I'm going to finish this off and get back. Right, okay then. I've given it a good old clean. I haven't changed the spark plug, but what I have noticed is, if you look just there where that bolt is, if I lift this up, it's loose, and I've checked the underside. Someone's tried to undo the bolt for some reason and it has sheared. Now these bolts are absolutely terrible for getting out. I have not yet managed to get one of these bolts out in one piece. So that means the engine's got to come off, and this is not going to be a quick change around for today and gone. So I will have to let the person know who wants it. He'll have to wait a few days now. So I might, if I can't undo that and stick another bolt in, then I will go over to where my lock-up is and I will just stick another engine on it. Thought it was going to be a quick turnaround, but it's not. But never mind. Anyway, let's put you up here for this bit. Take the goggles off. You don't need those on. Right, as you see, quite disappointed in that now. I thought that was going to be an easy job, but nah, it's not. It just goes to show. Even I didn't check on that one until afterwards. The thing is, when the engine was running, it wasn't shaking or vibrating or anything like that. But I won't sell that to someone in that condition with an engine bolt gone like that. So it'll have to wait now until tomorrow in the morning. Today's Sunday, so I'm having a bit of a rest. I only done it really quickly because he was interested in it this afternoon, so I'll have to leave it now until tomorrow. But anyway, you like this video, give us a thumbs up, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell, and I've got a little notification on the screen as well. And till next time, cheerio.